Hi everyone, this is Adedayo, and today we're going to be taking a deep dive on the style function on the Korg PA5X. Now, what do I mean? What I want us to learn today is how to take an idea from an already existing style and swap it to another style. So for example, let me take this first style, player 1, let me use this shape pop, and player 2, let's take this pop 21, and player 1 sounds like this, while player 2 sounds like this. Now, if we want to play both of them together, we would move this X fader to the middle and then press Shift and play. Now, but if we notice they're not in sync, why? Because the BPM isn't the same. So what we would do is to click on the BPM of the Pop 21 by touching the screen and selecting it and dialing in 96. Now they are both on the same BPM. We do the same thing. Now both players are playing together. Both players are playing together because I press the Shift and the play button option at the same time. Now if I move the X fader to the right or left, it plays the player 1 and it plays the player 2. Now let's take a deeper dive into this so we can understand what I want us to achieve in this. Now if we go into the player 2, let's go into the mixer and we click on this part that says pad and KBD. We move it to style. Now with this, we're able to see what is being played on ACC1. If you notice, ACC1 sound is grand and time. Now if we solo ACC2, now if we select ACC4, you hear a synth sound, and if you select ACC5, you hear another synth sound. Now everything is active. Now let's go to player 1 and do the same thing for player 1, where we select style, and then ACC1 is a marimba, ACC3 is a guitar, ACC5 is a sound. Now, what we want to do is to swap these sounds together. So we're swapping from player 2 to player 1. Now, how do we achieve this? First thing we need to do when we head back to the main screen is to press the record/edit button. Now, we click on the edit style. Let's not forget the sound we have on the player 2, which is called Pop 21, right? Now that we know the sound, we do the same thing, press the rec and edit button, click on edit style, and when you come here to this page, you click on menu. And when you click on menu, it takes you to this screen and then you click on edit style. Now, what this page is trying to tell you that what style do you want to take from to put back to this first style? If you notice, the sound here is called shape pop, and that is what we have on the X fader player 1. Now we're going to click on select and then we go to Pop 21 because that's what we have on player 2. Now we're doing we click on all and then automatically shifts to all, ACC1 to ACC1. So they're swapping ACC1s, and then we click on execute. Yes. Now we go to same thing for ACC2, click on execute, click on yes. And then we move to ACC3, click on execute. Yes. Go to ACC4 to ACC4, click on execute, click on yes. Now we go to ACC5 to ACC5, click on execute again, click on yes. Now after executing all the ACCs, if we click on the play button, we would notice the difference. Now, if you notice, player one doesn't sound like it used to sound before now. So right now we want to save the new style. All you need to do is to click on the drop down and you click on save style. It's called shape pop, and we want to click on the T button to rename it as our new, my new, and click on save, and it goes to a new style. To access the new style, we'll go to user one, and then when you see, click on user one, it's my new. My new is there, and then we can play it. The functions on the Korg PA5X is humongous, and let's practice and let me know what you think. All right, have a good one. Bye.